Go to the file and click on open. Select this first image, click open. Now take the text tool, select the impact font, increase the font size to 600. Change the text color to white. Press OK. Now type your text like this. Then right click on this text layer and choose blending options. Open blend if option. Select green in this case. Go to the underlying layer option. Hold the Alt key and break this point. Adjust this point like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result. Continue the same process with the white logo. First navigate to the file and hit open. Select the second image, click open. Then go to the file, this time choose place embedded. Select this white logo PNG file, click place. Hold shift and alt buttons and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Now right click on this layer and choose blending options. Open blend if options, select green, go to the underlying layer option, hold the alt button and break this point. Adjust this point like this. Press OK and see the final result.